Hello, everybody. It's your friend Miles. I'm back here with a review. I did manage to pick up the Samsung S26 as well as the Samsung S26 Ultra. So, just to show you the box, S26, and then the Ultra, S26 Ultra. I'll probably come up with a review for the phone, but in the meantime, I did want to show everybody what I got for protection as far as cases. My favorite, or one of my favorite case makers, is a brand called Benks. So I did get the ArmorGrid in blue for the S26. Let's take a look and see how that looks. All right, look at that. See that? Take this out the case here. See? Nice material. Look at that. I like that. I'm going to take my S26. I'm going to put it here. Because the S26 is a very slippery phone, and you definitely want to make sure you have protection for this phone. I do love this case. One thing I don't like about this case is, see that right there? That is an opening. So if you drop your phone the wrong way, you might get some scratches. But like if you want to have the best looking, or one of the best looking cases on the block, I would say definitely go with this Benks case. Normally it goes for $50, but I did get it for $5 off on Amazon. Normally Benks, when a phone is like newly released, they'll give you like a discount off the case. So it's a really good case. This S26 really feels good in the hand. I like it. It's speedy phone, good, small, compact, sleek. Let's take a look now at the second case that I bought for my S26 Ultra, which is the Benks ArmorGrid in black. Let's slide this bad boy open. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Oh my goodness. Wow. See that right there? You get good quality. With Benks, you get really good quality. I mean, for so many years, I used to just buy Spigen, but sometimes, like, you have to, like, buy other brands. I still like Spigen, but I like to open up my horizons to different things. That's how you do when you get my age, when you get older like me. So let's take my wonderful S26 Ultra. See that right there? S26 Ultra. Let me cut the phone on. I'm gonna slap this bad boy on. Look at that. Look at this case right here. This is that style. This is like when you walk in the streets, like you got style to you. Like this right here. And like the S26 Ultra, along with the whole S26 line, is really thin. It's light, but you want like a light case. You don't want like no bulky case. Like this right here is light. And what I like about this case, it has that same type of material as the case for the S26. But one thing, once again, you have that right there. But that doesn't bother me. I think Benks really makes good quality cases. Get you a screen protector as well, but also make sure you get your case, because you want to make sure you protect your investment. And I will be following up with more videos later on, but thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing and hearing what you think about the S26 line of phones. Bye now.